She tell me she won't love. How I know for sure she ain't playing bones. Sides of the door. Does she really want me, yeah? Does she really want Naomi, I'm Marie, yeah. Naomi, I'm Marie, yeah. Naomi, I'm Marie, yeah. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquette on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below by pressing the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So today, you can see this beautiful 26-inch hair that I have on my head. Today's wig and hair that I have today is a collaboration with Cranberry Hair. As y'all know, I always do videos with them. Like, their hair is super affordable, super cute, and just honestly, they're my favorite affordable hair, human hair. So I was informed that they have a big sale coming November 11th. From what I was told, November 11th, they're having a big sale going on. So you guys don't want to miss out. Make sure you check the description box. Go subscribe to the website so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. Also, with this being said, the prices are going to be at its lowest that it's ever been in the year. So you definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity. As I was saying, I'm wearing their straight hair. They provided me a 24 and 26, and a 20 frontal. And I literally, like, every time I get their hair, I love it, for one, because their hair is so affordable, and then at the same time, their hair is super thick. Like, the bundles are so thick. Literally, like, this is only 3 bundles, and it looks like it has 4. You know, I'm like, heck yeah. Per usual, I do like this hair a lot. I love the lengths. Only thing I kind of like wish that some companies would do is provide longer frontals so you don't have like this huge gap difference with your hair. Other than that, it's fine. This is what the hair looks like. I don't even think y'all can see it. Y'all can see how long this hair is. So as I was saying, this hair is super long, super thick, super affordable. Be sure to go check them out. I have all the information in my description box. Literally no complaints whatsoever. The hair came out so beautiful. And that's just what it was. So unfortunately, I did not make a video on me customizing this wig or making the wig, just because I have a lot going on right now in the week and I'm trying to hurry up and get stuff done. So sorry about that. But yeah, I'll have all the information in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Go ahead and follow me on my social media accounts at It's Naomi Marie. Real quick, I just wanted to announce the winners of my giveaway. I'm literally, I'll show y'all so y'all believe me. All right, so I'm on this page right now where you draw the winners, and it randomly does it, so I ain't cheating. All right, so my 3 winners is gonna be number 1 with Tyler Gray Perry from Fort Collins, Colorado. Second is gonna be Rich Waven from Montgomery, Alabama. And my 3rd is gonna be Robin Bryant from Clarksville, Tennessee. I'm going to be doing some more giveaways once I hit some more major milestones, so stay tuned. Thank you all for participating, and yeah. You got 24 hours to message me back. You don't message me back, I'm going to redraw. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.